According to YouTube, YouTube Shorts are up to over 15 billion views per day. They are growing like crazy, and also for the first time you're going to be able to run ads on YouTube Shorts. So should you be creating YouTube Shorts for your business, and how do you do it? Let's dive into it. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can get more videos like this in the future. So thanks to the rise of TikTok, short form video like YouTube Shorts is really taking off right now. YouTube Shorts were introduced in September of 2020, and they are 60-second or less videos in a new kind of area on YouTube. You can do music overlays, you can do text overlays, you can do graphics. There's a lot of editing you can do with Shorts. YouTube Shorts can also be monetized, and YouTube came out with an over $100 million fund for people who are creating Shorts so they can make a little bit of money. So how do you get started with YouTube Shorts? Well, let's start by uploading a short. Here's how you do it. Log into your YouTube account, touch the Create button, and then create a short. From here, you'll choose the music and record or upload your short. To record your clip, press and hold the record button. You can also tap it to start and tap it again to stop. You can also set the recording speed and timer, as well as edit clips together on this screen. The reason I say that is because Shorts was really intended to kind of happen all on mobile. So you could shoot it from your mobile device, you can make it all happen through your mobile phone. It's built that way. After you've recorded Shorts, add filters and captions to your video. Adding captions is a great idea so people can read what's happening in Shorts when the sound is off. A lot of people watch silent video. Now, if you're on desktop, you're going to need to have pre-recorded your short on your mobile phone, and here's what you do there. Make sure your recording is still under 60 seconds, and a pro tip, you need to record vertically to create a 9:16 aspect ratio. Then you're going to upload your Shorts the same way you would upload a regular YouTube video. From YouTube Studio, you're going to click Create and then Upload a Video, and then you're going to select the file and start filling in the required fields. Generally, you're going to want to include the term short in your title so that people understand it's a short rather than a full-length video. Now, when it comes to YouTube Shorts, it's really not as much about search engine optimization like you would a normal YouTube video. It's more about something that somebody would really want to watch, is high impact, maybe has a little bit more clickbait feel to it, right? Really more entertainment than search engine optimization, as it would be for some YouTube videos. Now, keep in mind, the best way to get more views on your YouTube videos generally is just to create great content that is around a specific topic that you've become an expert in and that has high watch time, high engagement, and has a good amount of comments. So it's similar with Shorts. Let's talk about a couple pros and cons of YouTube Shorts. I think the biggest pro right now is that YouTube's really pushing it so you can get a lot of exposure. If you look at some of our Shorts, they've gotten thousands of views. The content is also placed on the YouTube homepage in a Shorts tab within the YouTube app and on your channel's homepage. Another pro is that these YouTube Shorts can be used to drive traffic to your channel overall and to your other YouTube videos. So you can kind of think of them as a gateway to other videos in some cases. Pro tip, a lot of people use their TikTok videos for that as well. Another pro is it's less time consuming. Shorts are pretty easy and quick to make. So a few cons is there's less customization and they're just shorter. It's kind of a different type of consumer who's looking at Shorts than looking at the longer form video. The person who's looking at Shorts is kind of a passive person flipping through YouTube. The person who's actually looking for a YouTube video, in most cases, has a need and is searching to fulfill that need. So that's a pretty important thing for a consumer mindset. Final word on YouTube Shorts, should you be doing it? 110%. I recommend you get on it now, you get on it early, you figure out short form video as soon as possible. You use the same type of concepts you're doing for Shorts, for your TikToks, for your Reels, potentially for LinkedIn as well. If you want to check out some YouTube Shorts, check out our channel. We are making a few and some are getting some great traction. If you have any questions about Shorts, leave it below. I'll see you next time.